What up, Super Squad? We got an update for process rules. You now can control where these process rules are seen. If you don't want them on list, remove them. You don't want them on a view, remove them. You don't want them on your Kanban board, remove them. You don't want them on different places, you can take them out. So you now can have the power of the process board, and you can put visibility where you'd like it to meet your needs. Let me pass over to Super Daniel to show you how it works. Super duper feature update. It's super duper process rule visibility.
Hello, it's Super Daniel bringing you an update to process rules. So if you go into a process rule and go to in page, we've added a new setting called rule visibility that you can go in and check to see where you want your rules to appear in HubSpot and Salesforce. So if I go to HubSpot, you can see on this table view, we have custom type showing up. And if I go and unclick showing the rule in list views and hit save, go back to HubSpot, wait a few seconds, and you'll see custom type is removed from the list. But if I go to board view, you can see it'll still be there. So if I go back and say, all right, I don't want it in board view, and hit save, wait a few seconds, and it's gone. But let's say, that's all well and good, but maybe my record page is too cluttered. So go in and we'll go click and we'll see, oh look, the rule is right here, but I don't want to show it. So you can go in and toggle it off on the record page and it will disappear. Now let's say you have a record in the sidebar. So you can see I have here and I have a warning. So if I go back to my page and if I clear this and just search for test warning, go in, and I don't want this to show on the record sidebars. So I hit save, give it a few seconds, and then it's hidden from the sidebars. That way you can control what rule visibilities they are. Now this is overwritten by the existing settings, so if I was to go like this and uncheck all of these, this overrides whatever the rule is if it's off. So if you want this all disabled, if like a user has this all disabled, then it just won't show any of the records. But if you have it all turned on, it will use whatever preference of the record is set at. And with that, we've also added the ability to bulk change. So using our selection feature, we've now brought it over to process rules. So you can go and select a whole selection of process rules. You can select the whole page, or you can select all of them, but we're just going to select this page and update the visibility. So I can make sure they all don't show up. So if I go back to the main page and I hit save here, none of my rules will show up. If I filter it, see, all of the ones that are on that main page are now gone, or I can make them show up everywhere. Just making it really easy for you to go in and bulk update your rule visibilities now that we've added this feature.